Guys, in your body, this is first part of your document. Just cross check. I expect you people to write it in approximately 800 words, 800 to 1000 words. Fix it in 800 to 1000 words. Okay. So you have two different organizations, right? So for two different organizations, you can write it separately. First organization, what kind of technologies are to be implemented for the organization, whether it is suitable or not. So here clear identification and description of new network adoptions. As I mentioned you, so what are better for your type of better communication networks for your organization, considering your future requirements and the present requirements, you can make some kind of suggestions. Okay, and I already explained in the last video how to identify network components. If you require, just listen it again. See, this is how we use a keyword: better communication network for retail organization, for hospital, for banking, like whatever the type of organization, you can mention it here. And these are the keywords that I have used. If you have any other alternative better keywords, you can use them. You can search for some important content, and whatever the important technologies that can be adopted by the retail organizations, if you identify some, discuss about those. Okay, it all depends on selection of the organization, what kind of organization you have selected, what is your company. Based on that, the kind of technologies we deal will depend, and in addition to that, the kind of the services organization offering. So different service require different type of network requirements. Okay, so considering that, just cross check. For example, if you have a payment option, you need different type of communication technology. You might be depending on third party paymenting people. If you need database, maybe you might be using a cloud computing technology to store your database on some remote location. In that way, based on the kind of service you have, services you are offering to the customer, services you are offering to the users of the network, it all depends. Okay, just select, discuss those things. Okay, then management recommendations for improvement. So you already mentioned about the kind of communication network adoptions that organization should make, and now you are recommending management recommendations, how management should work to fix, like adopt such network recommendations efficiently. Okay, so management should follow certain strategies, certain procedures to adopt those technologies. Maybe we might be conducting analysis on financial feasibilities, technology feasibilities, whether our organization can support that kind of network improvement or not. For example, let us take our organizations. We are a very small organization, right? So for such a small organization, if you directly say that we have to implement some XYZ software defined networks or something like that, it will be difficult because the technology should support that, right? So based on the like, we need to cross check some simplified and very efficient technologies, which management should accept those technologies. Okay, so management should cross check whether the proposed, like management will be supporting you people to suggest better recommendations to the organization. Okay, for example, management will be considering, see, this is my budget, in this budget what is the kind of communication network you can propose to me, based on that we will be proposing. Okay, we make suggestions that management of the organization should consider some of the important elements, like decisions of top level management, budgets, technological feasibilities, environment, and the cost that is going to incur for the organization, sustainability issues. These things can be discussed as a part of management recommendations for improvement. Okay, so that is one part. In addition to that, you can make some other recommendations related to how next level process of implementation of network can be carried. Okay, that can also be considered as a recommendation. Okay, these things should be discussed in this part. So please identify appropriate communication network technologies for your organization that suits best for your organization. As for small organization, mostly people will depend on public clouds or what we call hybrid clouds to reduce costs. Okay, so if we have large organizations, so definitely so again, here what I mean is, when you are discussing about cloud communication network, some part of technology will be using cloud network definitely. So that's why I'm telling you, the kind of cloud technology we will be using will be either hybrid or public cloud for small organization. For large organization, the kind of cloud technology that will be included in your network recommendation, network technology recommendation, it will be either hybrid or private. Okay, so large organizations very less amount, very few large organizations will be using public clouds for their communication purpose. Okay, either they will be using hybrid cloud or private cloud. Okay, I think this is clear. If you still got any questions, just ping me. Okay.